Where you
Where
at?
you
Where
at?
you
Where
at?
you
There we
at? There we
go. There we
go. There we
go.
go.
Coming
Coming
into
into
where we
where
want to
we want to
be.
be.
Bam.
Bam.
Okay.
Okay.
I have
I have
everything
everything
rolling now,
rolling
which is
now, which is
insanity.
insanity.
Nice. I know we got to go through some steps. Okay. It might take longer than an hour. I actually cleared my afternoon for this, so.
I
I
already have
already
a
have
few
a few
things set
things
up,
set up,
so
Okay,
so
good. That's what I wanted to make sure. We're going to go over a checklist first.
yes.
yes.
Great.
I'll
So, do you have an Anthropic API key?
yes, I
Yes,
do.
I do.
Great. You want to have that handy.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe like get up your notepad and on your new Mac and copy and paste these or like put it in an email and send it to yourself on your new computer. I do that from different emails a lot.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
Anthropic
Anthropic
API
API
key.
key.
Am
Yes,
I
Am
that's
I?
going to look like you can go to console.anthropic.com
Yeah.
Yeah.
and that'll have it there. Usually it's just like once they tell you that it's like a super secret code and you have to keep it under wraps, but mine's in my notes on my fucking Mac.
It's called
It's called
Anthropic what
Anthropic
now?
what now?
API key. So it's just like your Claude API key. It's basically the, I guess, like memory, money, like whatever how they're running some of the like bigger automations through AI.
Yeah, let
And
me
that's how,
I'm gonna
sometimes it's free, sometimes you have to pay for it.
Anthropic API.
We're learning together.
Let's see. Local
Local
install.
install.
OpenClaw
OpenClaw
setup
setup
guide.
guide.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Anthropic
Anthropic
console.
console.
Let's go
So
snag
snag
that.
that.
Continue with
Continue with
Google.
Google.
Morphine Group AI. Now,
Yeah, there's like one, two, three, four, five keys and one bot token that we're gonna make.
okay.
Okay.
So I'm
So
in
I'm in
console.
console.
Okay.
I guess I
I
should
guess I
fucking
should
share my
share my
screen so you
screen
can
so you
see
can see
everything.
Yeah,
everything.
That'd be easier.
that's what I was, yeah, Zoom's probably better for that, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is good
this is
because
good
we're
because
like
we're like
getting
getting a.
this is like
This is like your.
this is like a
This is like a
warm up
warm
deal
up
for
deal for
you.
you.
I'm not gonna fucking do this. We're gonna pay someone to do this. I'm not gonna be the one, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Well,
Well,
yeah,
yeah,
I'll sell it.
you
You
guys
just
got to
gotta
earn
earn
your
your
stripes
stripes
to
to
do
do
it
it
once.
once.
That's
That's
the
the
only.
only.
Oh,
Yeah.
recorder in the
We're in
waiting
the
room.
waiting room.
Bam.
Bam.
All right,
All
get
right,
that
get that
open.
open.
And then can
And
I
then can
share
I
now?
share now?
Mm-hmm.
Share.
Share.
Do I
Nope.
have to like accept something?
Nope. Come
I
on.
don't
No.
see.
Share.
Share.
No,
No, I
want
want
to
to
be
be
able
able
to
to
share.
share.
Share
Share
settings.
settings.
Share
Share
settings.
settings.
Share the
Share the
window.
window.
Come
Come
on. How
on.
does
How does
everyone
everyone
share?
share?
How do we
How do
do
we do
that?
that?
Host
Host
tools for
tools for
share.
share.
It says sharing is not turned on.
Multiple
Multiple
participants. There we
participants. There we
go.
go.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
now,
now,
open system
system
settings,
settings,
Discord.
Discord.
Yeah, you're
Oh
gonna need your
shit.
Discord up. You're gonna like so many. There's lots of steps. Telegram. Are you reading off of the Google Doc that you first sent me?
I'm not
I'm
reading
not reading
anything.
anything.
I'm trying
I'm
to
trying
Okay.
figure
to
out what
figure out what my.
I'm trying to
I'm
figure out
trying
how
to
to
figure out
share
how to
my
share my
fucking
fucking
screen.
screen.
Okay.
That's the only
That's
thing
the
I'm
only thing
trying
I'm
to
trying
figure
to
out.
figure out.
To share
To
your
share your
screen,
screen,
you'll need to
you'll need to
restart
restart
Chrome.
Chrome.
Oh
Oh
shit.
shit.
Oh, because you probably have to like fix the settings. Maybe?
And I
And
guess
I
I
guess
don't
I
know
don't
what
know what
my
my
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. back and rejoin. Nope. All right. Host is joined. Admit. We're rocking. Okay.
Hey.
Hi.
All right,
All
we're
right,
back
we're
in.
back in.
Share.
Share
Share screen.
screen.
Okay.
Okay.
You see me
You
now?
see me
Can
now? Can you see my screen now?
Sure can.
Okay.
Okay. Now I need to go to
what was
what
that?
was that?
You're gonna go to no, that's console.anthropic.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
where
that's
it
where it
was.
was.
Console. So these are them.
These are them.
Yes. It looks like you have some already. So you can just you can create a new one, or you can just run one of those. I would just create a new one probably.
Okay.
I only
Okay.
have one, so.
Sure.
Yep, you're just gonna well, you don't have to do anything with it now. Unless you want to put it into like a notepad, because you'll have like when we're setting up OpenClaw, we'll copy and paste some of the API keys into it, like into terminal. Do you have a terminal downloaded onto your Mac, your new Mac yet?
I don't know what that means.
That means.
Sorry.
Okay, that right there.
This
Yeah.
thing?
So you have it. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah, so
some of this
has
has
been done already. Somebody
had my
had my
assistant try to do it, but she couldn't figure it out.
out.
So we got
So we
about
got about
half
half
of
of
it
it
built
built
somehow.
somehow.
So I like got it running the first time that you gave it to me when I did it, and then I took it off and wanted to put it on a container. And ever since then I've been having issues with it. But I fixed it, like that's what I was working on yesterday. And then this morning I tried it again, and what I'm having a like trouble with is setting up Telegram for like your assistant to like talk to you. But we're gonna go as far as we can. We don't necessarily need to set up every single step of that to get it running. That's just so it can talk, which is cool, but you can still have it like give you your day to day without that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought I saw
something
something like
Anthropic,
Anthropic, like
and
and
OpenClaw or something.
Yeah, I guess it definitely seems like it changes day to day. Like I went back onto the website that you were on, the OpenClaw website after, and yeah, there was something, I think that it wasn't safe or secure. Like one of the nodes, or I don't know, one of their things about it. It kept coming up when I was running it yesterday, saying that it wasn't secure at all, and that if you wanted to run it, you could, but you'd have to pay like a ton of money in the coding or something. It was really crazy.
Yeah,
I've heard that
it
it
can
can run it up.
if you're not
if you're not
careful.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what my dad was saying. He was like, have fun with that, paying like $100 a month just to have like a personal assistant. And I was like, well, his brother,
That's
That's
like a really good deal.
I literally pay someone like bare minimum $600 a month right now. So that is a good deal.
All right.
All right.
So
Okay. So we're gonna do, you have your, what were we saying? You have your Telegram.
we do.
We do?
Okay, so we have to create a bot token. Do you have one?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Bot father.
Father?
Yes, sir. You can create a new one, or you can grab the one that you have.
Yeah.
I created a new one. It seemed, so if you already have that set up on your Claude, then that's done.
Yeah.
I just
literally the
the
first
first
time
time
I opened this computer, so I have no clue what this is. But yeah, we can start here.
Okay. So, well,
Yeah.
take me to your OpenClaw and let me see what you have on your screen.
I'm gonna be honest with you. This is the
This is the
first time
first
I've
time I've
opened
opened
this
this
computer.
computer.
Can you
I'm
see?
not good at this. We're like doing it together.
Can you
I just
see?
want to see what it says. Yes, like there. No, not the one that's on terminal,
Oh.
Oh,
because that's where we're running everything. And so there's a bunch of code in there that comes up like step by step. So we're gonna like put it all in there and that's how we run it. And then usually once it's up and running, we should be able to put it on the browser. That's kind of where I get stuck sometimes. Or like right now, my Telegram isn't talking, but this is where you set it up. So I want to see like how far you got. Put your Telegram or your terminal up on your screen. Let me see. I'm fucking old and blind.
Is this it?
Is it?
Yep. And this is on the new computer that you got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody tried to do what you did.
Yeah, yeah.
And they couldn't go any further. So
I wonder if it's just because of this new update. Because, like I said, it worked, and then I tried to put it in Docker so that it wouldn't like. Because really, I have a lot of like HIPAA stuff on here, and I didn't want it to get into any of that. So how is that other guy doing it?
which
Which other guy?
Isn't there somebody else on the call, Austin, that was running this? I was reading the recap notes last
Yeah,
night,
yeah,
and I just did not understand it.
There's a guy named Steve that's done it,
Yes.
and that's all
That's all I know of.
Okay. Well, has Steve still done it, or is he like dropped off the face of the earth?
Yeah, Steve's just a friend of mine. He's not really in the program.
but he's
But
just
he's just
someone I
someone
know that has
completed
completed it.
it.
But yeah, I have no knowledge on this whatsoever.
Okay, I'm just trying to read. Yeah. So it looks like you might have been running into the same stuff too. It was a gateway error. Yep. That's what I fixed today. So honestly, a lot of this stuff I just took screenshots of and put in Claude. No, scroll back down. And what is that? Okay. We are gonna try, so I might have you run some like code in here. You're gonna type in some prompts. Hold on. Let me
Okay.
pull up mine and then we'll go from there. Because I think this is what I just fixed.
Sounds good to
Sounds
me.
Never did I thought I'd be, or think I would be doing this. The fuck is this?
Yeah,
Not really my cup of tea either.
But
apparently
it's been
it's been helpful.
You know what? I do like I like automations are really helpful for me. It takes me a long time to like think and get shit done, so I'm like 10 times more productive and I'm all about like being efficient with my time and resources, and so anything that can do that I think is worth looking into or exploring more. Okay, let's see. I want you to write in, so like right next to where it says MacBook Air and the percentage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna write in OpenClaw space, and OpenClaw is going to be one word. It doesn't have to be capitalized, and then onboard, all one word,
Okay.
and hit enter and tell me what. Well, obviously I'll be able to see what it is.
Boom.
Yeah. So then you're gonna hit the arrow, like the tab arrow on your, keyboard to like go over to the yes, and then you'll hit enter. Yep, or space. Great. So we are gonna hit. Hold on. Yep, we're gonna hit quick start. Okay. And we are going to, this is where I think I put my API key in. You can update, well, I don't know, it just depends. I guess update your values.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Imagine this one has an API key.
Probably already, yeah. So I had to go back though and redo it. So that's where like, and I did fix the gateway from doing that. Like I created a new bot and like did all the steps because I kept getting hung up on that over the week. I've been playing with it in between these births, but I had a gnarly fucking shoulder dystocia on, I don't know, whenever I talked to you last on Thursday when I went to that birth.
Got stuck.
Got stuck.
No, I got the baby out because I'm a badass bitch. But
But it
it would have gotten stuck if I wasn't there. Yeah, it was the first time mom. Was not my client. I got called to cover a birth, and
Damn.
she, yeah, I called 911, and then I had to send them away because we were fine, and I handled it. But
Good job.
Job.
I know it was
That's your
good, and
super.
I
That's your
there
Super
was,
Bowl.
Well,
ugh, it makes me like want to vomit thinking about it because the baby's head came out. And like know nothing about this, but there's like a nuchal cord, right? And that's normal
Yeah.
sometimes. Doesn't like restrict anything. And so I went to reduce the cord because usually once we do that, the baby's born and the fucking baby didn't come. And
uh,
the cord was hanging next to the baby's head. Yeah, and then I was like, oh fuck. And I said that. I actually probably traumatized this mom. Because I yelled fuck and had to like get her up into hands and knees and then get the baby out. And it was fine, but
You knew the
here's the
procedure.
procedure.
yeah, all the time. I've been doing this for a while, but it's just not fun when you have to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here you're gonna select that, and then you are gonna hit probably enter, and then you'll be able to select, yeah, go ahead and enter your new API key there.
Uh, I guess it's
Guess
this
it's
one.
this one.
What? The secret key? Yeah, that's probably the new one that you created, huh?
So how do
How do
you
you
how do you
how do you
how do you
how do
click
you click
it?
it?
Oh,
I
default.
don't know.
Oh,
Oh,
You
uh,
can probably like just select. Ooh, I don't know. That's a good idea. Or a good question. Let me go back to mine.
yeah. How do you
yeah. How do
get
you
it?
get it?
Um, you know what? You might have to pull up the whole thing because like I said, I have it in my notes, and that's where I copy and paste it. So you might have, is there any way that you can look at the entire key? Or maybe the dots are part of the key because it's in every one. So yeah, copy and paste that entire thing from the SK to the last three A's. Yeah, and then just control paste it into
I think it
I
should be
think it
way
should be way
bigger.
bigger.
Claude. I don't know. No, I mean, I think some of them are, look there, it went. It worked.
Wow.
Wow.
It did the thing. Kind of know a little bit about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are going to keep your current Claude Sonnet 4.6, and you can just hit enter for that.
Discord.
Discord.
Yep, do you have one?
I do.
I do.
So you'll want to get your oh sorry, yeah, we like jumped ahead because we kind of got rolling on that. So you'll go and get that and then copy the API key into there.
From
From
Discord.
Discord.
Yeah, you'll need like a couple of these. I was gonna have you get them all first and like put them in a notepad.
Oh,
Oh,
there it is.
there it is.
I never knew what this thing was for like ever. Is this like a gaming app? Like that's where like gamers live stream is on Discord, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, they do
some
some
stuff.
stuff.
I'm not
I'm
really
not really
sure.
sure.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know
I
how to
don't know how to
find
find
So you can't find it. Hold on, let me um
Let me ask Claude over here.
you should be able to. I literally just did this. Hold on.
I just searched. I just
I
looked
just
it
looked
up.
it up.
Usually
Usually it's in like
settings
settings
or
or
Yeah, I know. Hold on. I'm trying to get on there and see where it's at.
click
click
new
new
application.
application.
What?
What?
not connections. What the fuck? Yeah, take a picture of it and put it in Claude, because that's what I was doing yesterday. It just walked me through the steps basically to reconnect all of these. What the fuck? How did I even do that? That's why I don't think I could ever do this again. This is going to be a one and done for you.
I hope we can
Hope
get
we
it
can
done.
get it done.
We can, like I told you, I definitely got it done. And there's another way to do this, because the way, like the pitch that I was gonna make was that we could use this not just like for ourselves, but we can also use this for business owners too, who want to automate all of their workflows that they have for their business, but then also like for their daily schedule.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
saw the thing that you were doing at the end of the day, like the briefing.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's
amazing.
amazing.
I thought that would be pretty cool to add like with this, because obviously people who are productive usually want to like reflect and have some, you know, like
Exactly what
Exactly
we're
what
doing.
we're doing.
self stuff going on. So I think that would be a good tool to use together.
Yeah, and
Yeah, and this guy
Austin,
Austin, he's the one that is, he's kind of
leading.
leading it.
And
And I think he's gonna have like something that we can actually plug in, which is gonna be awesome. Okay, what do you, so it says that's Opus Clip. Okay, so I'm not even on the right fucking website.
I
I don't know about this, Emily.
Hold on, let me go back and I made a document of like how we can do this step by step.
Oh, great.
Oh, great, yeah, let's do that.
So,
I don't know.
This is the first time we've been on Discord.
well, that's what, like I said, I wanted to do that first, but I didn't know how far you had got on your like operational thing of what you did for opening up your OpenClaw. So,
Yes.
Yes.
So
So
basically,
basically, like I had
my assistant try to put
put together using that document,
and she
and
she
couldn't figure it out. So
that's
that's where we're at.
Let me see here. That's not what I wanted.
One.
did you get to the API for your Discord?
No,
I don't know how to get there.
Hold on.
I'm
I'm over here like sending
screenshots
screenshots to my Claude.
You're in the
You're in the wrong. Okay, so I'm not even in the right place.
Let's try
Let's
that
try
one.
that one.
Here.
Here.
You're on
You're on the docs page.
Get your
Get your actual bot. Develop a portal. Develop a portal.
Okay.
Okay.
Develop a
Develop a
portal.
portal.
And
And
then
then
click.
that's
That's
where you create an app.
Mm-hmm.
And
Grab your token.
Go
Go
to
to
app.
app.
Okay.
Okay, here's the public key. Is that what we need?
Maybe that.
Yes, you can try that. I don't know if it's that or the application ID.
So, what,
Do I hit enter here, I'm guessing?
No, first you're gonna hit enter and then it'll give you a place after that to enter it. Yeah. You might already have it. So you already have it in there. It says that it's configured. You can add, if that's the same key, then I would not, but you can modify and then re-add that. Yeah.
Discord bot token.
What's
The fuck.
What's a bot token?
So that's not at all where do you want to select something else instead of Discord?
It's the
It's
same
the same
thing.
thing.
It says
It says
bot token slash
API
API key.
key.
Okay, so try the public key. You can keep what you have. You don't have to enter anything else. Just hit yeah.
You know what this means?
This means
And then hit yeah. Yes, allow list. I honestly used Gemini for this, and I got a Gemini API, and I can take you through that too if you don't have one, because that's on our list that I did come prepared with.
All right. How do we
how do we do Gemini API?
All right, you ready? Are you getting tired of this?
No?
No?
Okay.
Gemini.
So you're gonna go to aistudio.google.com. And then you will do get API key. Oh, yeah, I did all that. Yep. And then create and then copy. Yep, and then that API key you'll just copy and paste right down into your key there and hit enter. Yes, we're going to configure your skills, and you are going to like hit the down key and then space key for each skill to like select it. That should select all of them. Yep.
Good?
Good?
And then you'll hit enter. Okay, so do you have Node installed? Do you know?
No.
Node.
You can hit yes on there, but we also will have to do that.
What's it called? NOD?
OD?
NODE, yeah. And you'll just, I think it's like node.js on the web browser.
Yeah.
And that helped like everything.
It's like
Once
a,
I got that. Yep. And you'll download that.
this?
This?
Mac iOS.
Let's see if I
See if I already
have it.
have it.
Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there's
Oh, there's my Discord bot token.
Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
Continue.
Agree. Install.
Install.
I'm gonna run to
I'm
the
gonna run to the
restroom.
restroom real quick.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
that went
That
really
went
fast.
Really fast.
it's okay. We can take a break and then come right back because then I'm gonna walk you. Well, we're going to get some more API keys. We're going to make sure that you have some more API keys before we move forward. How does that sound?
Okay, give me
Okay,
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay.
Alrighty,
Ready.
Yep. All right. So, do you have a you have your Anthropic API, you have your Telegram bot token. We got you a Gemini API key. Do you have a Notion API key?
No.
We're gonna get that. All right, so in your web browser, you are going to type in notion.so, yes, slash my.integrations.
Notion
Dot.
S.
There
There
it
it is.
is.
Slash my
My
integrations.
integrations.
My dash integrations, yeah. And then you'll just create a new integration and you can name it OpenClaw.
What does this
What
mean?
does this mean?
I don't know. Oh, have you like created an account with Notion?
A long
Long time ago. Not with this web, not with this
email.
email.
So I guess
Well,
oops.
you don't, yeah, you can do that. You can go back to, you could select and see if it pops up. Mine, I created an account and then it just synced with it. I can't see what that says.
Create a
Create a
profile.
profile.
Join
Join an existing workspace.
I don't know what to do here.
Profile.
Looks like
Looks like I already have a profile.
Always.
Okay,
Profile created.
Now
Now what?
Now you have to select that to your thing that you just did, or like link it. So you don't have to do anything with the API key right this second. I just want you to have it done. So when we set this next part up in OpenClaw, you can have it ready to put in. And then, because these are like cool integrations for using OpenClaw. It's not like, just like Gemini and Telegram are kind of like integral to doing it. But these other couple help it like just be more intelligent is the best way I guess I could describe it.
Okay, is there any
Is there any way to
fill this
fill
out?
this out?
You can't, huh?
I don't know what a
What a
workspace
workspace
is.
is.
So,
Oh yeah, here, go and do that. Select how do you want to use it and then put it for work. And then that's creating your, well, you don't have to do that. I didn't do that. Yep, just do the free one.
over here?
Over here?
Yeah, that's all I did. You can get the desktop or you can skip it. It doesn't matter because you don't necessarily. I like you'll use it, but it's just like Claude. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
All you're doing now is I think now this is your organization, so you should be able to add that to your API key.
Complete
Complete
these
these
steps.
steps.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's
I
try.
didn't do any of that. Just ignore that part and go and like try to connect it now with your Notion API. Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh,
get it.
get it.
And I need to get
Need to
this.
get this.
Yes, that is going to be, you don't have to do anything with it yet. So if you wanted, you could put it in like a notepad where all of your API keys live, and then you have it in one place. And then just put Notion API.
Okay.
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 Good to go.
Go.
All right, and now we're gonna get an 11 Labs API key. So you will go to, in your web browser, 11labs.io/app.
Oop.
Oop.
Oh my God, what's going on?
That's it.
That's it.
Already fucking shit up. Yeah. Okay, so wait, we're gonna.
This is it.
This is it.
Yes, it is a voice recording app, but this is what allows like OpenClaw to talk to you and like listen and like sync back. So it's going to be more like if we were to use the voice on like ChatGPT or Claude and talk to it, that's what this does.
Is this a
Is
free
this a
one
free
too?
one too?
Yeah, you don't have to pay. I mean, yes, I believe so. I set it up to be some. Everything that I did was free. The only thing that I pay for is Claude, and like the only API key that I pay for is Claude, I think, and that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Because otherwise, the rest of that doesn't run, like all the stupid apps and stuff. Okay. So you're gonna get that. Then you have one more key after this. And then we'll have all the keys. Yeah, that's what I did was agents. And okay, so this might be kind of hard to get that again, just like the other one. Let me go back into my Claude and see how I got that.
It's probably,
Probably, yeah.
developers. There we
Maybe.
go. Here we go.
Here we go.
Got it.
Got it.
So smart.
Do I need
Do I need
to
to
fix
Copy
anything?
and paste that.
Nothing
nothing over here though?
I can't really see that full like screen for whatever reason.
Oh, really?
I
really?
can see monthly text to speech. Oh, I did I guess, allow everything. Is that what that is? It's like allowing
Yeah.
access.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just allowed for whatever because I want it to do the things. And since you have your own contained space for it, that's a
Yeah.
good
Let
place.
it go
They go
crazy.
crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Create key.
Key.
Your
Your
clipboard.
clipboard.
Where's this
Which
one?
one? 11
Labs.
labs.
PI key.
Um.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep. Copy that and then put that in your notepad.
Now
Now where we headed?
Now, where are we headed? Now, I have to go back to my notes.
Got the
Okay,
paper.
now we got to get Google Places key. That is the last one that we need to get.
Google Places.
Yeah, you might have to pay for this. I think I paid like 25 bucks for it, if I remember correctly. So you're going to go to console.cloud.google.com. And that's if you're going to run like Gemini through your OpenClaw. And if none of this works, then we just fucking delete it all.
You've been
I've been using Claude for everything, but
Yeah, me too. And it's worked really well. And there's another way because when I told my dad that we were doing OpenClaw, he was like, "What the fuck is wrong with you, you stupid idiot?" And I was like, "Oh, okay, thanks so much. Love you." And so he's been doing like coding and web design and stuff for a long time. But like I said, his brother is using it and he's like, "I'm so fucking productive. Like, this is the shit." But he did put it on a container. And so, yeah, that was the best piece of advice that I got from them besides don't do it. But I asked Claude what would we do if we had like objections to OpenClaw. And so it came up with like other ways to do this. Zapier is one of them, and it's
Oh, yeah.
basically just connecting like all of their automations to each other. So, and there was something else too. But I went through that because I ran like a bunch of prompts to see like, all right, if we're going to pitch this, what would be the objections? What would be other ways that we can do this if OpenClaw doesn't work, or if like it's not safe to do, we have like HIPAA information that we need to protect.
Yep.
So yes, if this doesn't work, I do have some other ways that we could run it. I just haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
yeah,
I
I
understand.
understand.
I think
I think I'm at the place.
Okay, great.
API
Clients
clients or
or
in.
in.
What is this? Oh, this is Google Places. What the fuck? I do not remember doing this. I must have been high as fuck when I set this up. I guess go to settings.
So
So I have like
it
it
says
says API clients or
Yeah. Maybe try that.
run
run
actor,
actor
manage tokens.
tokens.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
There you go. Copy and paste that. We did say that you have Node. Is that right? We confirmed that?
Yeah, I
Downloaded it.
Okay. All right. So we're going to go back to your
we're making
onboarding.
moves.
Huh?
So I feel like
I feel like we're making moves.
We are. We're doing it one step at a time. Okay. So, yeah, you can do it NPM is fine. But this is probably where you're going to put in a lot of those other API keys.
Cool.
Cool.
How's
How's
your
your son?
You have two
You have
sons,
two sons, right?
I do. Yeah, I have Max and Eli. They're good. They're hanging out today with their dad.
That's cool.
It's cool you got to have two boys.
I like being a boy mom. I'm a little sad. We thought that Eli was going to be a girl because I was really sick, but in my pregnancy, but then not at all. He was a 10-pound, 5-ounce baby boy.
Damn.
Yeah, I fucking hope that he like does some crazy shit and is like an athlete. That's my goal, is to just breed him that way. He loves to run into shit and play football all the time already. He's only like 18 months.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
just
from a
from a
boy's
boy's
perspective that
perspective
was
that was
young
young
and
and
was
was
never
never
picked
picked
first for
first for
anything,
anything,
very
very
average
average
with
and with
grades and
grades and
I don't know,
I don't know,
like
like
sports and
sports and
stuff.
stuff.
And I'll tell you
And I'll tell
this:
you
the
this: the
kids
kids
that
that
were
were
gymnasts
gymnasts
and the
and the
kids that were
kids that were
wrestlers,
wrestlers,
like
like
early on
early
in
on in
life, were
life, were
fucking
fucking
strong,
strong,
Mm-hmm.
strong
strong
as
as
hell,
hell,
and which
and
is
which is
a
a
big time,
big time,
advantage as a
advantage as a
boy
boy
playing
playing
sports.
sports.
And then the
And then
kids
the
that
kids
played
that played
soccer
soccer
were
were
the
the
fastest
fastest
ones.
ones,
They were so
Mm-hmm.
fast.
fast.
And the
And
kids
the
that
kids that
played
played
t-ball,
t-ball,
like
like
me,
me,
fucking were
fucking were
terrible at
terrible at
everything.
everything.
It's the
It's
most
the most
Max
unskilled
unskilled
plays
sport.
sport.
t-ball.
You hit a
You hit a
you hit a
you hit a
ball off a
ball
tee,
off
and
a
then you
tee,
go
and then you
pick
go pick
dandelions in the
dandelions in the
outfield. Like
outfield.
there's
Like
not a
there's
ton
not
of
a ton of
skill
skill
development that
development
takes
that takes
place there.
place there.
Sorry if
Sorry
It
if
you're.
really is like that though. When he
Yeah.
played last season, they were like, "Okay, parents, go stand in the lawn with your kids so that way like,
They
if
don't
there's a
run
runner,"
off
and
and
I'm
get
like, "What the
distracted.
fuck, a runner?"
There,
And then sure enough, one of the like 4-year-old kids ran through the field
there's
and
too
almost
many.
got hit with the ball.
There's too
there's
many
too many
rules
rules
Yeah.
in
in
baseball.
baseball.
There's too many.
There's too
It's
many.
so
It's so
silly. There's too
silly.
many
There's too many
things
things
to pay
to pay
attention
attention
to
to
in
in
baseball
baseball
versus
versus
soccer.
soccer.
In
In
soccer,
soccer,
everyone's
everyone's
chasing
chasing
after
after
the
the
same
same
fucking
fucking
thing the
thing the
entire
entire
time.
time.
They know
They know
exactly what
exactly
to
what to
do.
do.
Yeah. We have him do like squats and stuff. It was funny. For a while, like if he wanted chocolate milk, I made him do like 10 squats and push-ups before he could have it.
So yeah,
So
that's
yeah,
funny.
that's funny.
McKenna,
McKenna,
I have this
I have this
great
great
video of her,
video of her,
and
and
so
so
whenever
whenever she
misbehaves,
misbehaves,
we don't
we don't
do other
do other
room or
room or
timeout.
timeout.
Mhm.
We
Yeah.
do
We do
wall
wall
sits.
sits.
She does
She
wall
does wall
sits with her
sits with her
hands
hands
out
out
like
like
this,
this,
and then
and
she'll
then
be
she'll
like,
be
"I
like,
want
"I
to be
want to be
good."
good."
Oh my
Her
God.
little
Little
legs
legs
burn.
burn.
Oh, does that give you like flashbacks of your freaking days that you were in boot camp with her crying, "I want to be good," doing a wall sit?
Freshman
Freshman
year
year
of high school football, more so, but yeah,
yeah,
the
the
seniors were
seniors were
horrible to
horrible
us.
to us.
That's so funny. All right, it's doing it. Oh my gosh. So McKenna is your daughter's name. I love that. How old is she?
Yeah, she's
So
three.
she's 3.
When was she born?
Um, one, two,
1,
three,
2, 3,
July
July
8th.
8th.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's
July.
awesome.
Yeah, her,
Yeah.
oh, wait,
Oh wait,
She's
I don't think her.
in, does your ex homeschool her? Oh, I
no,
can't really see. There was like a glare.
oh,
Oh,
yeah, I'm facing the
facing
light.
the light.
Um,
Um,
no,
no, she doesn't
homeschool
homeschool her.
her. She
She
goes
goes
unfortunately
unfortunately
to
to
a
a
military
military
daycare.
daycare.
That's
Um,
okay. My kid's in school right now. He's at like a, I actually went there when I was in pre-K.
oh,
Oh
That's
wow.
why, yeah, that's why I sent him there. Because well, not that I knew, obviously. I haven't been there in like fucking 40 years. But I felt comfortable and like just coming back to this community, whereas in Vegas, like we didn't know. And there's just a lot of horror stories in like all of that with childcare and school and stuff. And so I felt comfortable putting him in a place that I had been and we knew the community. So he goes to, it's like a Episcopalian preschool. And I have to fucking register him for kindergarten actually this week.
wow.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
I
really
really
want
want to be able to.
I mean, I
I mean, I
can,
can,
but
but
like I want
like
to
I
be able
want
to
to be
put
able
her
to
in
put
like
her in like one of those schools that
um,
um,
the
the
Montessori
Montessori
schools.
schools.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Where they like
I don't know,
I don't know, it's kind of old school stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah,
But
Like
yeah,
based in nature. That's what, so I like a lot of the 1,000 hours outside. And if, okay, so your daughter is in Washington. Is
yeah,
that where you were?
Washington.
Washington. Yep.
Okay. So, I mean, I'm sure it's very cold for some of the years, but if you follow, like I followed it in Vegas with Max, and it's a chart, and you can plan like your amount of time outside, and they have, it's all like, oh, I have the book. Hold on. We need to be like productive though with what we're doing. So it's like, yeah, they're like learning and like nature based. It's actually called something like it is kind of like, it's like Windsor. like the Windsor technique of like schooling, and it's like play-based and nature-based. So there's a ton of like learning activities, and you can chart your hours, and it talks to you about like how cold things are, and like, or if you're in like a cold climate, this is how many hours you're going to spend outside. Or if you're in a hot
Oh,
climate, you're
cool.
going to
Cool.
spend this outside, and you can plan your curriculum and everything around it. There's actually a ton of play-based like nature homeschool groups and co-ops in Vegas.
Okay.
That's what I was going to do with Max if we had stayed there. That was the plan because I did not want to send him to school in Las Vegas.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that's
exactly what I
exactly what I
want for
want for
McKenna.
McKenna.
Is
It's
like an
like an
immersive,
immersive, like
you know how many
semesters
semesters of, oh, we
of
got to
oh,
do
we got to do
OpenAI
OpenAI
key?
key.
All right, so you got to grab that. Oh no, do you have one of those? I forgot that. You do need an OpenAI key.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
go
I
get
can go
one.
get one.
Claude fucked me up on this. I asked them to make me a document of all the things, and we totally had to have done that. That's weird though if we're not using ChatGPT and we're using Claude Sonnet as our. Yeah, still do it.
All right.
But yeah, that was what we have some of that here too. It's I don't know, a lot of the home birth midwife, well, a lot of like the midwives in Vegas that I'm friends with do that with their kids. They like
Smart.
homeschool or do like co-ops. And then they're in like some Christian schools too, but Tori pulled her kids out for a little while and then like it got hard because she's really busy and takes a lot of births. So she put them back in school.
Yeah, I
Yeah, I
imagine that
imagine that
takes a
takes
lot
a lot
of
of
effort.
effort.
Scan this
Scan this
QR
QR
code. I don't
code. I
want to
don't
do
want to
that.
do that.
I don't have
I
a
don't have a
device to do
device to
that
do
right
that
now.
right now.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah,
Uh,
give me one
you
second.
want to?
do try another way or cancel it and then try another way.
Oh, is this
Oh,
thing
is this thing
dead?
dead?
Damn.
Damn.
What, your phone?
Just this one. Oh, I can use
Can use
yeah,
yeah,
enter
enter
your
your
password.
password.
So how often do you get to see your daughter?
Uh,
Uh,
and then my
and my
ex-wife said the
ex-wife
next
says the
time I
next
can
time I
see
can
her is
see her is
August.
August.
Hmm?
August
August
is what I
is
was
what I was
told.
told.
What do you mean?
That's the next
That's the
time I
next
get
time I
to
get to
visit her.
visit her.
Oh. So it's
Yeah.
basically just up to her.
Yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much
pretty
right
much right
now.
now.
That sucks. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
alt
alt
user
user
password.
password.
Wait one second.
Hold on a second.
Damn. Hey,
Hey,
I need a freaking walking
walking
treadmill.
pad.
Dad.
Yeah,
My
this,
desk. I'm really jealous right now. I'm actually jealous of you all the time when you're on that.
it's awesome.
But
Awesome.
like be comfortable in my appointments and like have a space for people to lay down, so that is not the vibe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
the one
the
thing
one
about
thing
this though,
about this
like
though,
because
like
I'm
because
kind of
I'm kind of
hunched over
hunched
like
over like
this,
this,
it
it
does
does
kind
kind
of
of
it does
it
kind
does
of
kind
mess
of mess
some
some
stuff up with
stuff
my
up with
low
my low
back.
back.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Yeah.
Still. Ugh.
I just
I
don't
just
have
don't have
anything.
anything.
This isn't, I don't have another device. Um, I guess I can kill my stream. Tap on a phone or tablet. Check your Apple, iPad.
Yeah, usually it's like YouTube, I feel like, that they make you pull up to confirm it.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, my Telegram's like live. I'm already getting random messages from people. That's so weird.
Boom.
Okay.
So many devices.
You do have so many.
Continue.
You still have, what's the kid that his car broke down in your house?
He left. No, he left the other day.
That's good.
Yeah.
Did he figure it out, or did he have money to fix it?
We got him to where he needed. We got him to be able to get to Los
Somewhere.
Angeles. Yeah. This has got to be it. This has got to be it.
I was gonna tell you that you shouldn't have told him to just go get a job like bussing at Red Rock or something at the casino to make money.
That would have? Yeah, I guess I could have done that, eh?
I mean, what's his goal? He wants to like travel around in a van and document it.
Yeah, I mean that's what he's doing. It's pretty cool.
Okay.
It's pretty cool to watch.
So my friends started that like such a long time ago, like a travel blog on Instagram.
Really?
Yeah, but they do like videography and stuff. I met them in Vegas. They were clients at Lifetime, and we became really close. My friend AC and her husband.
Oh, no way.
And like, yeah, so they went to like Australia, and then they went to China and traveled like all over, and then they came back here. I don't even think they have like I'm pretty sure they're still like nomads and just kind of go wherever, and then like Airbnb places.
I love that.
I know. Yeah.
I would love to do that.
I do not. So there's some midwives that are like traveling midwives that go in like a van and just do that, which is insane to me.
Just travel and take on clients
Well,
as they.
How are you screening? You know, because like the prenatal care is what like builds the relationship. Sorry, one of my son's friends' dads is messaging me about seeing Mario Party with all the kids.
Fun.
What?
Fun. Mario
You
Party.
got it. Oh, nice. Money in the bank.
That's cool that you get. See, I got invited to go to. Fuck, what was that? There's like it's not Dora, but there's a new like animated princess series, and when I was with my daughter and my two nieces, we had to go to that movie. But I'd rather have gone to the boy
I'm always
movie.
down for a princess film.
Yep.
I fucking love Disney. Well, actually, not as much. I was really disassociating, but I went there like all the time. And I got to go into like Club 33. I liked learning about Walt Disney because, I don't know, he was a successful person. So it's interesting, like, people really are like in a cult over him. So I wanted to learn about that, and I did, for sure.
I'm very interested in people like that are able to have.
Fucking crazy. So I like, okay,
Should I do anything here?
I don't know. I'm gonna look and tell you.
Enable hooks.
Enable hooks. Yes, you're gonna select the next couple. You're gonna go down and hit the space bar for boost and bootstrap and command and session, and then hit enter. So this might be where your person got fucked up last time. Let's see. Quick Start uses Node for gateway services. It's stable and supported. That's great. We're gonna restart it. So hit yes. Yeah, like I started listening to like a bunch of documentary like books, I guess, about Walt Disney, and then I went to the Burbank lot and went into his apartment, and then I went into his like apartment in Disneyland above like the fire station, and then I still volunteer at his barn in the LA Zoo. His like daughter preserved it. It was like in his backyard, and they say that that's like the birthplace of Imagineering and where he like thought of Disneyland with two of the other people who helped him build it. And it's cool because when I go out there, There's literally people who like built Disneyland and New Walt Disney that come and like volunteer there. So yeah, it's
Legacy.
to be able to learn about. They're like obsessed. I'm reading what's so the onboarding is complete.
Woo!
All right, so now we have to run it. You should. Okay, so this is kind of where like I got jammed up for a minute. You have to, yeah, like that. You're supposed to put like something in your browser to run. Did it set up your Telegram? You put your Telegram API and like everything in there?
It didn't ask me for it, but.
Okay, so I think we should maybe go back and make sure that that's done. I don't know. Maybe because it was already done and we didn't need to do that part.
Perhaps.
Then we could just go with that. So go back to terminal whenever you can. Okay, now, no, you're not gonna go to showcase. Web search. Web search is enabled so your agent can look things up online. Your dashboard is ready. Okay, so you should be able to control OpenClaw through that HTTP link. So it says dashboard ready. Yep, you'll just select that. Now, when I was doing that, it was saying that there was no like website that was live, so it might do that again.
Yeah.
Is that what it's coming up? Yeah. So that is what I was like troubleshooting yesterday. So we're gonna go back. There's actually what I found. Hold on. Let me pull up my Claude in the thread. Yep. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna go to browser control, I think. Maybe scroll down a little bit, because I think you can just copy and paste that in there. I want to say I took a picture of this and sent it to Claude to fix, but I'm trying to look right now in our chat and see where I did that.
See if that does anything. I'm gonna put it in Claude.
Oh yeah, and then you can also just run like OpenClaw onboard. That's basically what we just did. Because that'll do like a security. If there's like something that's not running, it's basically gonna show us like what's breaking.
Is that it? No.
So what I downloaded,
See what this
what
is.
fixed it was Node. But you said that you have that, right?
Yeah, we downloaded it.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Hold on. Let's see. Let me look.
This one's trying. Says it's busy.
What did Claude say?
It's just very slow.
You can try this prompt in there. You can try OpenClaw space DAEMON space start. And then hit enter. Let's see what that does. Nothing. Okay. So I think what I did was go into, yep, this is exactly where I'm at. So you're going to go into Gateway and Apps in the navigation on the OpenClaw website. So go back to the OpenClaw browser. Yep, where we were. It has troubleshooting. Go back. No. Go back to browser control, I think. Oh no, maybe that is. Nope. Try browser troubleshooting. There was something, yes, so you can copy and paste this prompt and then put that into your terminal. And it will tell us what's not connecting on the browser. Because what I did was I actually went into my settings on my Mac and had to allow for sharing.
Command not found.
Try. Another one that I did was
install Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Password.
That on there.
I don't know how to put in a password.
What do you mean, on the... Hold on. Sorry.
Yeah, it's just it's asking for my password, but it won't let me put anything in there.
Oh, that's weird. You can't copy and paste it?
Maybe.
Or try, yeah, that's super weird.
No.
Oh no. Okay. Let's try to look through your privacy, on your Mac. So maybe we go into your settings here, because that I think is where I was able to fix some of this. I did still have to fuck with that, but I was able to. This is hard.
Yeah. Do we really want to sink more time into it? Do you think it's worth it?
Well, I had it running.
Okay.
It really did. It worked. It did the whole thing. It's just, this is whatever the new, if they've changed something, I don't know if that's why, now they're not, because it's what kept coming up for me after I fixed the, hold on. I have mine up. I'm such a fucking idiot. I could have looked at this. Try putting in, did we do the configure in terminal? Is that where you're at? Hold on.
We're on a password.
Yeah, that did not ever come up for me. Because I'm looking through the steps that I took right now. Hold on. And I'm on yeah, this is Telegram. I've had to reconnect that earlier. I mean, you can get out of that and then we can still try to go reconnect the gateway another way. That's all you're doing is just recommanding prompts. So if something isn't reading, we just go to the next thing. So you're going to do OpenClaw, configure, space, and then 2 dashes, section, space, channels. And that will usually tell us what gateway is not connected.
Does that look good?
Hold on, I'm gonna pull it. I'm on my screen. Let me look on yours.
I need to put a space.
You have to pull it down. I can't really see.
Oh.
It's okay. Yeah. And then hit enter. Yep. You're gonna hit enter for local. And you can configure the link.
Discord.
So this is where we didn't enter that yet, right? Or we did already?
I'm not sure.
So that's where okay, so maybe
There's
try
the
that.
Telegram one.
You can do whichever. I set up like each of mine. So you'll modify. Yep, and then you'll put your token in there. So you can keep it if it's the same. Yeah, this might just be going back to the same thing.
Yeah.
So what I was reading on the OpenClaw was it had to do with like privacy. It's like a multi-user, so how it's saying like allow the allow list. That's where I was getting stuck on Telegram with like setting mine up was that part, and it was saying something about like a multi-user. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's gonna be, it'll scroll up into the chat with the bot father. It's usually like a longer number. Maybe scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. Yep, it's that. The access HTTP API.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, I would just pair it, I guess. So this is where I kind of got fucked up because, yeah, you can do open pairing it. This is how people are gonna like DM, like anybody can like access you now, which I have like random people on Telegram fucking sending me messages. Okay.
Like
so
who?
That's.
You know these people?
No. There's just random people and they're fucking, it's like money stuff, I think. Like it has to be a bot or like a scam. Yeah. Robin Janae, daily, 145 to 475 bucks available. I should say
That sounds
Venmo
weird.
and Cash App active. What's your age?
That sounds sketch.
I should say 21 and ready to party.
Whoop. All right. Let's see.
Okay, so this is probably about where, this is the gateway. Okay. But this is, okay, so try to go into your Mac settings. Once I did that, it fixed it for me.
Okay. Mac settings. Boom.
So you're gonna get into like your Apple like system settings. So select the Apple in the top left screen of your computer. I can't believe I'm actually like giving instructions on how to use a computer.
System settings, I imagine?
Yeah.
iCloud.
So then you're gonna go into privacy and security.
Okay.
It should tell you if there was an app that tried to like, so go in, oh yeah, maybe it hasn't done any of that. So when I went into mine, look under like screen and system, or maybe your settings are different. I had to like give it access. And so in like remote desktop and local network, there were like numbers and I selected on it and it was Claude and Terminal that I then allowed access, but it looks like you don't have anything like that. That's weird. Maybe try developer tools. Nope, nothing there. Let me go into mine and see if I can walk you through it this way.
Does it like go on your app? Like on your desktop or something?
I mean, if you want it to like sync with everything, that's why they tell, like for OpenClaw, yeah, that's why they tell you to have like a computer, basically like a burner computer, so that way, because like what my dad said was this is smart enough to like go into your shit and send out fucking emails to your like partner and be like, I hate you and I want a divorce, or I don't know, like whatever, just crazy shit. It'll like go in there and spam a bunch of shit is what it sounds like, so that's why they recommend doing it that way. But if we're using it for like our calendars and stuff, obviously we want to allow access to some of the back end things on our Mac if it's going to be an agent that tells us our calendar and to-do list and who we have to contact. So I feel like for me, I allowed access to everything.
Yeah, that's what I would do because it's totally secure.
Well, you have that compute like a $500 burner for that reason. So that's what I'm pretty sure Apple made them like for this. So you can also try, okay, so it configured it, abnormal closure. Yeah, so that gateway closed. Okay, let me go back into my OpenClaw and see what I have up on the web browser because I was in there fixing that. Okay, so I'm in Gateway Runbook. Oh, okay, so try this. I don't know. You can like stop me if you don't want to try anything anymore. But there is like a way that we can start the gateway because that's literally the same problem I had. So it's like debugging something or force kill. And you're just gonna do OpenClaw space gateway. Actually, I can drop it into the chat. I'll just copy it and put it in there.
Cool.
And then you can copy and paste it. Sorry that we're stuck on this.
That's all right.
Oh God, what the fuck? Okay, maybe don't do that. Hold on. So just grab the OpenClaw gateway port with the numbers after it. Do not copy anything after, like the hashtag.
So just OpenClaw Gateway port 18, yeah.
789, yeah. Grab one of those and then plug that into terminal and see what that does. Because I want to say when I did that, that's when it connected.
Gateway failed.
Required secrets. Discord bot token. You have to put that in there.
Okay, so.
But we think we need to go back and do that. Okay. Ugh. I think I figured that out too.
OpenClaw configure. There it is. Local. Oh, look at this. Select sections to configure.
There you go. I don't think I ever got that far. Yeah, you're gonna use your workspaces, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Let's ask Claude. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
think I did that. Oh. Didn't mean to do that.
Oh, okay. So I know how to configure your section channels. You're going to enter this command when you're ready.
Okay.
OpenClaw space configure space 2 dashes section space and then channels. Oh yeah, and so we'll delete the configuration. So whatever's connected to it, we're gonna delete and then reconnect it.
Okay, so enter.
Can you, oh, hold on, it's my screen. I can't see everything. Yep. Workspace. Yeah, and then hit enter. Okay, that's not.
Oh, it's just doing the same thing.
Okay, try web tools, because maybe that is what Discord would be under.
This one says WhatsApp, Telegram.
You could try that. There you go. So it is configured, but we're gonna delete the configuration. So scroll down to like the third, yeah, and then select that.
Or I think I can modify it.
You can do that too, yeah.
Enter bot token. Enter. This was already configured. Keep it. No, that's what I did last time.
Dude, one of my clients gave me a fucking mint graded Jalen Waddle card the other day.
Whoa.
For their baby. They also gave me a signed helmet. Isn't that crazy?
Are they like
What?
How do they? How are they like?
Have that?
Is he a player?
He wants to. Have you ever seen that show? I mean, I don't really watch a lot of TV, but it's like Jeremy Golden is his name, and they like trade. It's like an auction house. He does that, so he like does like grading cards and things like that. Sports
cool.
memorabilia and stuff. Yeah, they have a farm too. They also gave me like farm fresh eggs, and they always have like fucking goats running around their house and shit. Their cat got in my car when I was trying to leave their birth.
That's killer.
Yeah,
Literally
so crazy. I have really awesome clients.
Are most of them like I'm guessing they're better off, like they're.
Yes. Yeah. Most of my clients are all, especially if they're paying cash, because I don't take insurance or like Medicaid or anything. So most of my clients are pretty well to do. In Vegas, it was hard because I had a lot of people that had money, but they were fucking like bottle girls. So they would, be on Medicaid after the summer was over, and then they'd pull up in their Mercedes Benzes and be like, I can't afford to pay you. Can you deliver my baby for free?
That's not okay.
That's really fun.
I'm gonna get my Twitch token.
Yeah, try that.
Nope.
What made you want to be in Las Vegas?
I moved here for bodybuilding. It's one of the main hubs.
I know. I lived that life.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's one of the main hubs, and